Hello students. Today I am going to describe you the second chapter of your book Movement, The Adventures of Toto. And this chapter is about a baby monkey. You know, monkey is not a sort of animal we could keep as a pet. But in this chapter, the main character of this chapter, grandfather, he keeps Toto as a pet for some time, and at last he gets so disturbed because the monkey was so mischievous that he decided to return it back wherever he found it. So, students, I'm going to start the chapter. In the first paragraph, we will know that how the monkey comes to grandfather's house. Okay, grandfather was going somewhere and he found a Tonga driver there. And the Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey, that baby monkey, tied to a feeding trough. Feeding, feeding trough is the pot where the horseman keep food for his horse. Okay, the टोंगा ड्राइवर, टोंगा इज बेटे टांगा, तांगा जिसको हम हिंदी में तांगा बोलते हैं, तो तांगा वाला जो था, he used to keep that little monkey in the feeding trough, and it was not suitable place for that monkey. That's why grandfather thought that he is not taking proper care of this monkey, so I should take it to my home and I'll shift it, or I'll add it in my private zoo. Grandfather was having a private zoo also. Zoo means a place where birds and animals are kept. So grandfather was also having a private zoo, and because he was so fond of having pets, birds and animals, that's why he decided to take Toto with him, and he paid 5 rupees to that Tonga driver and brought Toto to his home. Now in second paragraph, the narrator describes the beauty of that monkey. Means Toto was a pretty monkey. Pretty, you know very well, it's beautiful, but for monkey we can use handsome also. So we can say Toto was a very handsome or very pretty monkey. His eyes sparkled with beneath mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. You know, he was having mischievous eyes. Means his eyes were full of mischiefs. There were mischiefs in his eyes, and his eyes were very bright, and these were set down his deep set eyebrows. Okay, beneath means under or down. And his teeth, have you seen teeth of monkey? So the teeth of that monkey were pearly white. Pearly, you know, just like pearls. Pearls means मोती, मोतियों जैसे सफ़ेद, and were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. And whenever the monkey used to display his teeth, show his teeth, there were many Anglo-Indian ladies who used to be scared of his smile, because its smile was so scary. Scary means जो डराने वाली होती है, that. And Anglo-Indian ladies means the ladies who are foreigner and live in India. These are called Anglo-Indian ladies. but his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in sun for many years. And the hands of that monkey were so dried. You see, most of the time monkeys, and you can see their hands also, their hands become so dried, so shrinked, as if they had been kept in sunlight for many years. And his fingers were very quick and wicked. Although his hands were dried and not energetic, but his fingers were very quick and wicked. Wicked means mischievous finger. Every time he used to use his fingers to do mischiefs. And he was very fast also. His fingers were very quick also. Quick means बहुत जल्दी से काम करना. You can see whenever monkeys come, they immediately pick the article or things and they just run away. And just like that, Toto's fingers were also very quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks. And monkeys have tail also. So it was the idea of grandfather that his tail is adding his good look. Means it is the one good point for Toto to have a tail. It is increasing its handsomeness. But he used his tail as his third hand also. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. He was not only using his tail in hanging from branches, but he was also picking the things from his tail when these things he were unable to catch from his hands. Understand? He was using his tail to hanging up from the branches. Okay, he used to hang. He just roll his tail to the branch and he used to swim. And after that, he was using his tail to catch any good thing, any delicious thing. If he wanted to take it and he is not able to catch that thing with his hand, that time he used to use his tail to catch that thing, because his tail was longer than his hands. Okay, so you can understand what kind of Toto was and how handsome he was, how he was handsome, and why he was described as pretty monkey by the grandfather. Now, grandmother always first whenever grandfather brought home some new birds or animal. Grandmother did not like it that every time grandfather was bringing some bird or some animal. So she used to become angry. First means angry. She used to become angry whenever grandfather was bringing any new bird or animal. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. So the narrator and his grandfather decided that they would keep Toto's presence as secret. Means they won't tell to grandmother, and sometime whenever she will be in good mood, then they will tell the secret of Toto, the presence of Toto, to her when she will be in a good mood, particularly in good mood. And the narrator and grandfather kept that monkey in a closet. Closet means a small room, and it was inside the narrator's room. Okay, it was inside the narrator's bedroom. Closet means very small room. and there secretly the monkey was kept, and there they tied it to a peg. Peg means बेटे कोई वॉल पर खूंटी वगैरह मीन्स कुछ बांधने के लिए जो लगा देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैग, एंड टोटो वॉज सिक्योरली tied to that peg. Grandfather and narrator was thinking that they had securely tied, but he was secured, he was safe there, it was safe there or not, you will know later. Now they had kept that monkey in that closet. After some time they came to see, and they wanted to release also because they were thinking कि ये बहुत देर से बंधा हुआ है, चलो इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए खोल देते हैं. And they found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental papers chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. You know what he did? There were wallpapers in that closet, and Toto had tore each of the paper, and they could see only broken plaster and bricks from the wall. Okay, and the peg in the wall had been wrenched. जो बेटा सॉकेट में जो पैग लगा था, खूंटी लगी थी, उसको भी उसने उखाड़ के फेंक दिया था. And my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. The narrator's school blazer, you know very well what is school blazer. It was also hanging there, and Toto has converted his sweater or blazer in shreds. Shreds means small pieces. I wondered what grandmother would say. The narrator was very much disturbed that what grandmother would say. She will be angry, but grandfather didn't worry. Okay, but grandfather not worried, and he was happy with the performance of Toto. And he said he is clever, and if we give him time, I'm sure that he would make a rope with the pieces of your blazer and he would run away from the window. Means तुम्हारे जो स्वेटर के ब्लेजर के जो pieces हैं, इनसे एक रोप बना लेगा. He is so clever that he would make the rope from the broken pieces of the torn pieces of narrator's blazer, and he would escape from the window. Now what happens? His presence was still secret to grandmother, and now the grandfather was having other pet animals also. They used to live very peacefully, very sociably. Sociably means मिलजुल कर रहते थे. And there was a tortoise, pair of rabbits, squirrel, गिलहरी जो होती है, that, and many other, goat also, and many other birds and animals. And Dadaji, grandfather, transferred Toto near these animals. Okay, Toto was kept in a big cage, and he was kept near these animals, but he never allowed anyone to sleep at night. Okay, he was so mischievous that he could not allow anyone to sleep at night, and that's why when the grandfather was going to Saharanpur for some important work, he had to collect his pension. So when he was going to Saharanpur, he decided that he would take Toto with him, okay, to Saharanpur. And In that trip, the narrator could not go with him, but when grandfather came back from that trip, he told about that trip to the narrator, that what